Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this Palm Springs mini. I did get it yesterday in the mail, and I'm kind of nervous about it because I feel like if it's made in the USA, it's always like bad quality. So I hope it doesn't look that bad. And I actually got this, which is, I'm assuming, like the little book that they give you. Yeah, so cute. So I got that, and then I have my proof of purchase with everything on it. And then honestly, this is one of my wish list items, but I did get it because of the price increase, because I don't want to pay more later on. So that's like the main reason why I got it right now. Let's take this off. Oh my god, it's so cute. I know. I honestly think that this is made in the USA just because of the handle, the way it's like positioned more up instead of in the middle. So I can already bet it's from the USA. So we have the straps, which you get 4 straps. Well, that can make up 2. It doesn't say where it was made. Yep, it was made in the USA. And then this is just the code. So it is pretty cute. The zipper is like really smooth compared to my Speedy 25. It's like really stiff. Okay, so this is really hard to open. It's like, this is really, really tiny. What the heck? Okay, I think everything's looking good so far. Why is this popping out? Does this look uneven to you, or is it just me? I feel like there's like the little bump right here that shouldn't be there. There's like a little fuzz in the, I don't know if you can see it, but like the stitching is like fuzzy. Can you see it? I'm not sure, guys. I mean, I paid a good amount of money for this, and then for it to be a little bit crooked, I feel like that's gonna bug me. I don't know why. And then I was looking at some videos of unboxing videos, and it kind of like, I don't know, I feel like mine just looks bad. You can see this side looks like pretty much perfect, and then this side looks kind of weird. Like the stitching, the way they did the stitching messed up the bag. I mean, you can really see there's like a little bump right here. I feel like it's so uneven. I don't know. I mean, I've never returned something or exchanged something, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I know this is really hard to get. I failed like 2 times to get it online until I managed to get it. And then when I was able to get it, my bank thought it was fraud. So then I almost didn't get it, but I got it. But honestly, I think that I'm gonna try to exchange it. I don't know how that works, to be honest. But yeah, it just looks uneven to me. I don't know why. Like, that bump is really bugging me. And it doesn't, you can't really fix it. It's like that way and it's done. So I don't know. What would you guys do? Would you return this? I mean, I like it a lot. It just, those minor things are not what I wanted it to be, you know? Yeah, I don't know why it looks like that bump right there. And then the straps, they look pretty much fine to me. I do know that I think with this one and the Pochette Matisse, which I did order one because of the price increase, are the ones that have more quality issues. Of the things I have gotten so far, I've never gotten something that was like, oh no, I can't do this. So far the straps are nice. They're looking good. It's just the back. I mean, and then how this is like completely towards the back. I don't know, that's like bugging me a lot. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm gonna exchange it and see what they tell me. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully I am able to get another one in exchange because they're really hard to get. But I checked right now and they were placed in cart. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know, would you guys return this? Would you guys, what would you guys do if you got this bag like this? I don't know if I'm being paranoid, but it does have like a little, what's it called? Like the little thing popping out. It's bugging me. If it would have been like this side is like almost perfect. But yeah, what would you guys do? Anyways, I was so excited for this bag and then now I'm so sad. So tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing another unboxing of my Pochette Matisse when I get it. And hopefully that one's nice. That one doesn't have any quality issues, but yeah. The stitching right here is like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's let me see if you can see with my nail. It's not that I'm picky. I just like didn't pay that little amounts of money to get something like this. It should be perfect, and I know Vuitton has a lot of quality issues, and sadly I hadn't gotten any until right now. So yeah, I'm just pretty bummed out. I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.